In today's video, I'm going to show you how to autofill data with these cool hacks here in Google Sheets. So whether you're trying to create a sequence, repeating a formula, or repeating some data, autofilling your data has never been this easy. We have 3 examples right here. So the first example would be this one right here. What I want to do is to have this word repeated on this column right here all the way down to the end. Now, how can I do that? So typing it like so can be a lot of work. So what we can do is to just select that cell, or maybe just this cell right here. Either way, it will be the same if you are just going to try and repeat the same data throughout these cells right here. Then click on this corner where you have that blue dot until your cursor turns into this plus sign. So that is a sign that you can now either drag this all the way down to that row. There you have it. We have repeated the same data throughout those cells. Or we can also do this one right here. So we can just hover over that dot. When our cursor has turned into a plus sign, then just double click on it and it will do the same thing. So depending on what you need to do, you can either just drag it down to the point where you need it to be repeated, or if it's some sort of data like this where there is an end to it, you can just double click on that corner to fill out the rest of your data. So that's our first example. Now we have our second example. Let's say we want to make a sequence. For this example, I want to fill out this column right here with dates. And I want to start with this date of April 1st. I can do that with the same hack that we just did. And that's going to be, again, by just dragging this corner right here until your cursor changes into a plus sign. Drag it all the way down where you need it. And there you have it. You'll see that our dates have changed. From the succeeding ones, we have April 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and so on. And again, we can do the same thing by just double clicking on this corner right here. And there you have it. Again, it will give us the same result. So depending on what you want to do or how far you want that data to be repeated or that sequence to go, you have that choice of either dragging that corner all the way down or just double clicking on it to autofill the rest of your data. And our last example would be if you were using some formulas, this will be the same. What we're doing here is just simply copying that same formula to be applied to the rest of our data right here. So you'll see on this cell, we have this if formula that calculates the commission based on the sales and the cost. So if we were to do the same thing and drag this all the way down to where we need it, there you have it. We have various results depending on the values that are used for this formula. So of course, this is not the same as this one, and so is this. So we will not have the same results because this time we are only copying the formula to be applied on this blanks right here. So one more time, you can do the drag down thing, or you can just double click on the corner and it will give you the same results. And there you have it. That's how you can autofill data with these cool hacks, whether you're trying to repeat some data, trying to create a sequence, or just rolling out some formulas. This is how you do it here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.